Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to complete an assignment and courses, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link and email in the description of this video. If you want to complete my lab courses like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access. We can do all online courses like math, state, accounting, finance, writing, computer science, nursing, and many other courses. Grade guaranteed 19 to between 100 plus marks. So first of all, we start an assignment. There is a project description. First of all, we read the project description. We increase the text size and also read it. So project description is: as a member of a local chapter of the Audubon Society, you are involved with an outreach to promote ecotourism, which encourage travel to natural habitats while conserving the environment. In the process, you will finalize a short flyer that identifies 8 unique destinations for ecotourism, describing them in a word table. Business sponsors have agreed to support the effort and will be distributed distributing flyers, so you can plan to include selected business names and contact. So there was a project description. So we move to the steps of this assignment. So total steps of the assignment is 19. uh, so we move to the first step of the assignment. Mm, So first step of the assignment is start Word, download and open the file named exp25 Word chapter 3 cumulative tourism. Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Display or non-printing characters. So we start Word, download and open the file. So we open the file. I have already downloaded this file. So so the this level of assignment is completed. So the next level of this step is display non-printing characters. Display non-printing characters. So we do we go to the home tab and click on non-printed characters, and our first step has done. So we move to the second step. Our second step is place the insertion point at the end of the document. Insert a 2x1 table. Adjust the width of the first column to 2 inches. Apply a table type of list table to accent 6. So first level of this step is place the insertion point at the end of the document. So we move to the step and we insert insertion of the place the insertion point at the end of the document. Insert a 2x insert a 2x1 table. Insert a 2x1 table. So we go to the home tab, insert tab. So we go to the insert tab of Word and insert the table. So we 1 plus 2x 1 table. So this is created. So we move to the steps file, question sheet, adjust the width of the column to 2 inches. So we go to the file and we go to the table layout and we can table column width. We decrease the width 2 inches and next apply a table style of list table to S&6. Apply a table style of list table to S&6. So we move to the proceed and go to the table design and table style and list table to S&6. So table is created. So we move to the question sheet and question number 2 has done. So we move to the step number 3. First we create the size of step number 3 text and also color it and so step number 3 is create the newly created table horizontally. Select the table and apply shading of gray S&3 lighter 80%. Row to column 7. First level of the step is create the center the newly created table horizontally. Center option is the home tab of the word. So we move to the home and select the table and move to the center. So this level is done. So next level of the step is select the table and apply shading of gray S&3 lighter 80%. Select the table and apply shading of gray S&3. So then we move to the table is selected. So then we move to the table design and shading option S&3 lighter 80%. So moving to the question and move to the shading option and S&3 lighter 80%. So select this is done. So next level row 2 and column 7. So step number 3 is also done. Then we move to the next step. First we increase also text and text size and color it. So step number 4 is insert a row between the first and second row of the first table under the eco-friendly word destination row and enter destination in the first cell on the row. New row, enter description in the next cell, enter C2 rating in the last cell on the row. First step, First level of this step is insert a row between the first and second row of the first table under the eco-friendly destination row. So we move to the and our first table is under the eco-friendly word destination. So we click on right button and go to the insert option and insert row below under the eco-friendly destination. So insert row below. We move to the insert row below. So we move to the question sheet and the next level of this is that enter the destination in the first cell on the new row. So we copy the destination and paste in first cell. So we paste and also next copy enter description in the next cell. So we copy the description and also paste it in the next cell. So we paste and next and last level of this step is enter C2 rating in the last cell on the row. So we copy the C2 rating and also paste in the last cell. And this step is so step number 3 has done. So we move to the step number 4 has done. So we move to the step number 5. We increase the size of step number 5 and color it. So step number 5 is insert a column at the right of the last column in the table. Enter approximate visitor year in the last cell on the second row. Text will wrap in the cell. Enter data in the final two columns of the table as follows: C2 rating and approximate visitor year. So step number 1, bolded. Level number 1, insert a column at the right of the last column in the table. So we move to the cell, we move to the text table and insert. So we move to the table layout and insert column right. Table column is created. So we move to the next level of this step. The next level of this step is enter the approximate visitor year. Copy it and paste it on the to paste it and we move to the step Text will wrap in the cell. Enter data in the final two column of table as so. Say 8. Copy the text. Paste the text. So also copy the text. Paste. Copy the text. Press the tab button and also copy the text. Paste the text and next 9. So we write the 9, press the tab and copy the text and paste. Next 6. So write the 6 and press tab and copy the text and paste the text and next 9. Write 9 and press tab, then copy the text and also paste. Next 10. So write 10, press tab and also copy the text and copy the text and paste. Next 7. Write the 7, press tab, copy the text and paste and next is 8. So we write the 8, 8, press tab and copy the text and also paste it. So step number 5 has done. So we move to the next step. Step number 6. So we move to step number 6. First, we increase the text size, color it, and step number 6 is select the first table. Select the first table. Select a border style of double solid line 1/2 pt. Isent 3, row 3, column 4. Apply the selection to outside borders. Auto fit contents of the table. So step level number 1 of the step is select the first table. Select the first table, and next level of this question is select a border style of double solid line. Select a border style of double lines 1/2 pt and 3 row 3 column 4. So we move to the table layout, table design, and borders. The borders and more borders, and this, and 1.2 pt, and color column 4, Isent 3, gray Isent 3, column 4, row 3, Isent 3, column 4, and row 3 Isent 3. Select and OK, click OK. And next level of this question is apply the selection to outside borders. Auto fit content to the of the table. Auto fit contents on the table layout tab. So auto fit and auto fit contents. So we click on auto fit contents. Our step number 6 has done. So total steps is 19. So we step 6. And if you want to complete an assignment courses, you can contact on my WhatsApp link, and email my WhatsApp link and email in the description of this video. If you want to complete my lab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, we can do all online courses like math, stat, economics, accounting, finance, computer sciences, nursing, MS project, and many other courses. My grade guarantee between 90 to 100 plus marks. So thank you.